This is for Alyssa. I've got my crochet hook and a ball of yarn. And first we're going to do a chain. You wrap it around your finger twice like this and hold it. Okay, and we're going to get the string. It's hard with the camera in the road, and no, that didn't work. Wrap it around, and you can even take your finger and pull it through to make a loop. Put your needle in. Hold this part, the short piece, with your two fingers, or right up by the knot. And I'm doing a chain. You wrap it around once and pull it through. That's one chain. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to make a granny square. So after you have your 6 chains, stick it in the hole of the first one. Hold your little circle. Pull it, wrap it around, and pull it through 2. So now you have a circle. You're going to do 3 more chains. That will give you like the next step up. 2, 3, and next is going to be a double crochet. So you wrap it around, put it through the hole, go around and grab it. Wrap it around. So you've got 4 stitches on the thing. You pull it through 3 of them, and then 2. So we'll do that again. Wrap it around, in through the hole, and back out. So you've got 3, and wrap it around till you have 4 pieces. So you pull it through the 3 and 2. So now I have 3. This counts as a double crochet, the one coming up. So you've got 3 there. Do 1 chain. That's going to give you like a corner piece because we're doing a square for the granny square. And we'll do, okay, there's a needle, 3 more double crochets through, wrap it around, in through the hole and back out. So you get 3, wrap it around, pull it through the 2, wrap it around, pull it through, wrap it around, pull it through 2. So I have those 3, and there's 3 more. So this is a group of 3. So what you're doing, you're going to have 4 groups of 3. So that'll give you like your square. So I did my chain 1. I'm going to wrap it around and do 1, 2, 'and wrap it around. And so there's 3 groups of 3. Like I said, the 3 chains up, that counts as one of the double crochets. So then I do the 1 more chain, get some more thread out, and remember you're holding this piece that'll sort of keep it steady in through the hole. So you're doing 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3. So now you'll see you have your 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and your last 3. So then you do a chain, and you're going to go in the top part of where you did your chains to start with. So right here, pull it around and go through both holes. So now you have your circle. So you're going to turn it over, chain 3, and here is my circle. So you're going to do, this is going to make a corner, so that's like counting as 1, 2, 3, and since we're doing a corner, you do the chain 1 and 3 more. We're making a granny square for Alyssa, and you can make these as big as you want. You can change the colors all whenever you'd like. So remember to go 1, 2, 3, and that's 2, so you're going to do 1 more. Going from corner to corner, you don't have to do a chain, but you can put 1 chain, but I'm not going to. So you have your 3, you're going to go back in, And you can make whatever you want with these. You can make them so they have 3 or 4 rounds. Make hats, vests, scarves. You can make a blanket. That's a chain 1. 1. So you've got 3. And I keep counting all the time because you never know when you're going to forget one of them, and you want to make sure all your corners are even. So 1, 2, 3. That's a chain. 1, 2. So 1 more in this corner. And now we're going to the next corner, so wrap it around. These are double crochets. Now we're doing 1, 2. Sorry if I'm going too fast for you. Wrap it around, through, and 2, and the 2. So I go 3 and 1. 1, 2. You go through lots of yarn, so you got to keep pulling. So I've got 3 and 3. So we're going to the next corner. So 1, 2, 3, and there's where your chain 1 is. That gives you the little hole to crochet into. 1, and all those double crochets will be going in the same corner. 2, actually that's 3, and then 1 chain. 1, 2, 3. So I've got 3, 3. You've got 1 corner here, 2, 3, 4. So now to join these corners, same as the last round, you're going on top of your 3 stitches into here, and you're going to bring it through both holes. So that's your granny square. There's with the, and you can keep on going around. You can switch colors. And you switch colors, like you don't tie knots, you just take it and go weave through the pieces, so you sort of darn in the loose piece. So once you use, like, say, a couple inches and darned in, then you can cut off your loose pieces. And don't tie knots to join pieces, because that'll give you a lump in it. And sometimes if you wash it, the lump or the knot could come undone. So that's granny square with the 4 corners. Like I say, you can keep on going around and around and to make a blanket. I hope you enjoyed this, Alyssa. Have a good